Hey there, food lovers. Is there anything better than a steaming bowl of soup on a chilly winter day? I'm talking about the kind of soup that warms you from the inside out, the kind that makes you feel all cozy and content. That's what we're making today. A hearty vegetable soup that's as comforting as it is delicious. And guess what? It's packed with nutritious veggies so you can feel good about enjoying every spoonful. This soup is like a warm hug in a bowl. It's super simple to make, and it's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a lazy weekend lunch. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand, and you can adjust the seasonings to your liking. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need some basic veggies like onions, carrots, and celery. These are the base of our flavor. Chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Now let's add some color and texture with diced tomatoes and corn. Don't be afraid to use frozen corn if that's what you have. Next, grab a large pot and heat some olive oil. Add the chopped onions, carrots, and celery and cook them until they're softened and fragrant. You want them to be tender, but not mushy. Now toss in some minced garlic and cook for another minute until you can smell that amazing aroma. Now comes the fun part. Pour in your vegetable broth and diced tomatoes. Give everything a good stir and bring it up to a simmer. This is where the magic happens. As the soup simmers, the flavors will meld together, creating a rich and satisfying broth. Let the soup simmer for about 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Now it's time to add the final touches. Stir in your corn, fresh or frozen, and season with salt, pepper, and any other herbs and spices you love. I like to add a pinch of dried oregano and basil. Section 4, your soup your way. Remember, this recipe is just a guideline. Feel free to get creative and make it your own. Want to add some protein? Throw in some cooked beans, lentils, or shredded chicken. Feeling adventurous? Add a kick of spice with some diced jalapenos or a dash of hot sauce. You can also experiment with different types of broth. Vegetable broth is classic, but chicken broth will add a richer flavor. And if you're feeling extra cozy, try using a creamy broth like coconut milk or cashew cream. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Enjoy the goodness. Ladle your hearty vegetable soup into bowls and serve it up with a side of crusty bread for dipping. Doesn't that look delicious? And it smells even better. You've got a warm, comforting meal that will nourish your body and soul. See, making homemade soup is easier than you think. And the best part is it's made with love and a whole lot of veggies. So go ahead, grab a spoon and dig in. You deserve it.